Okay, everyone, I request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer by multimedia presentation. And of course, please remain standing for our action song. Dance and try to imitate what is on the video, okay? Yeah. Okay, everyone, please imitate what's in the video and try to sing along. Like a cheetah, like a cheetah, swing, swing, swing. Like a monkey, swing, swing, swing. Like a monkey, like an eagle. Like a turtle. Action, animals in action. Like a squirrel, like a squirrel, like a squirrel. Okay, wait, dance! Like a gorilla. Like a elephant. Animals in action. Animals in action. Okay, please everyone, please settle down, take your seats. Okay, first and foremost, I am Ryan J. Raz, your subject teacher in science. You may call me Mr. Raz, okay? Okay, good morning class!
Good morning, Mr. Raz! Good morning, classmates! Good morning! How are you today? So great!
Okay, very good. So please take your seats. Okay, is there any absence today?
None!
Okay, very good. So before we start, okay, our discussion will be the body parts of animals that live on land. Okay? Before we engaging in our proper discussion, please read our lesson objectives, everybody.
Infer the body structures, help animals adapt and survive in their particular habitats.
So after we discuss everything, we explain thoroughly, and of course, and also your help is essential in attaining this lesson objective. Okay, before we start, okay, so we have classroom rules also. Okay, everyone, please read.
Listen attentively. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Be respectful to one another.
Okay, so that is our classroom rules, and of course, you will follow what's the classroom rules so that our discussion is organized and, of course, peaceful. Okay, so again, we will review or recap our last discussion all about, in which I have some pictures here and you will just need to identify its specific name. Okay. Okay, what is this?
Fish. I know, Mr.
Let us try to answer all of us, okay? What is this?
Fish.
What about this?
Octopus.
Very good. What is this?
Shrimp.
Okay. you think our last discussion all about? About animals who live in sea or water, or what we call them an aquatic animals. Of course. So those animals have gills, exoskeleton, and of course their scale, just like in fish, to swim on the water smoothly, and of course to protect them from any diseases. Okay, so we have an activity again. Okay, so in this picture, what do you observe on this picture? Okay, so do you have animals or pets at home?
Yes!
Okay, what are those and how can you take care of them? Kindly please raise your right hand so that I can recognize you. Okay, Miss Tokmo?
The pet that we have at home is a dog. His name is Max, and I take care of him by feeding him, cleaning him.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Miss Jewel?
So we have a pet, a cat. Her name is Linda, and also we give her food, shelter, clothes, to be our then put a blanket for her.
Okay, thank you, Miss Belarus. And last, okay, anyone? Okay, Miss Sandrine?
We have chicken in our home, and we take care our that chicken through feeding them the maize, corn, and other, and we.
So what do you observe in this picture? What are animals did you see? Horse. Very good. So, what do you think, where these animals live in? Very good. So, just what I said earlier, we will talk about the body movements and body structures of the animals that live on land. Okay? Okay, in this activity, we will have a group activity. So, I will divide you into 3 groups. Okay? Count off. 1. Okay, so okay na? Okay. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Okay, please go to your members. And I need one representative of every group. So that I can instruct you with our instructions in your activity. Okay? So every group, excuse me. So every group is need to classify between 2 animals. There are kind of animals there, right? Okay. So the first group will have to face. Where's the group 1? Okay. Your activity is to face whether it is animals with hair or fur, and of course animals with fur legs. Hair or fur and feathers. Okay, you just need to column it. Okay. Then as for the group 2, excuse me, group 2, you just need to hang the pictures here. Okay. Excuse me. These animals with dry scales? Dry scales and no legs. So you just need to face it. So as for the group 3, oh yes, very good. You can proceed to your work, and that work, excuse me, that work will be consumed in 5 minutes. Okay? Okay, you may start now. body movement. It's either you can fly, you can jump, you can run. As it represents you that your group is ready. Okay, who is ready? Okay, group 3. Oh, you can just present.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow, very good. Okay, who will be the one to report? Okay, Lisa, please come here.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
I am the representative from Group 3. The animals that was given to us is the animals with 4 legs, which are the reindeer, the pig, carabao, cow, and this one, spider. But as you can see, the spider have 8 legs. But it has 8 legs, and then the animals with wings, the owl, dragonfly, the bat, and the parrot. But the bat, it have no wings, but it has no wings, but it is down the
Just in fly, man.
for the parrot.
Okay, thank you. Okay, give us a mosquito clap for group 3. Okay, so next group. Okay, group 2. Group 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, present us body movement. Okay. So what do you see? What do you observe in their body movement? Being like. Okay, very good. So who will be the one to report?
Christine.
Okay, please, Dan, please. Okay, please, everyone, please listen.
So we are the group 2, the concept of animals that given to us, the animals with 2 legs and animals with dry scales. So animals with 2 legs, we have the ostrich, and then penguin, and then flamingo, and the bird. And then the animals with dry scale, we have snake. Teacher, I don't know what animal it is. Camellia, and then I think the teacher wants Bayawak, and then lizard.
Please give the group 2 a round of applause. Okay, for the last group. Okay, present your body movement also. I didn't say body movement, but you use the animal sound. Okay, very good. Okay, who will be the ones to report for the group 1? Okay, Miss Awa, please come here at the front.
Okay, everyone, good morning. I am the representative of Group 1. So, the animals with hair are 4 is the bear.
Dog.
The bear, then the lion, and the rabbit. Then the animals with feather is the peacock, the parrot, and the eagle, the duck, and the chicken, the rooster.
Okay, very good. So please give a hand of group 1. Okay. So, okay, where's the katong pictures na you didn't include? Group 1. Okay. What about the group 2? Is this the only one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, our discussion will be the body movements of animals and of course their body structures and yes, body movement. So, for the work of group 1, it is the concept of animals with hair or fur and animals with feather. Okay, this is a dog, bear, lion, and rabbit. So, what do you observe? Those animals have hair or fur. So, what is the purpose of hair or fur of an animal? It is to protect them from cold and hot temperature. So, for animals with feathers, we have peacock, eagle, duck, and rooster. Rooster. Yes, rooster. So those are animals have feathers, and of course some of those are animals. Although they have feathers, but some of those animals possess the feathers is can fly.
Yes.
Diba, can fly. Like rooster. A rooster can, maybe a rooster or a hen can fly back in a low height. As for the duck, it is uses its feather to swim. Swallow. Yeah. Okay. The group one have the group one have done a good job. So for us, the group two, their task is to hang animals with two legs and animals with dry scales. So it is the same with animals with feathers and animals with two legs, because all of those examples here have feathers, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have ostrich. What about this? What about this? And what is this? Okay. So these are the animals with two legs. So what is the purpose of the legs of an animal? It is to walk, run, jump, and hop. Okay. So some of these animals we can associate like mga birds bitaw, because they have two legs lang. Then for animals with dry scales, so we have
Snake.
everybody? Chameleon. So as we observe in animals with dry scale, those are animals that classified into reptiles. So what is the purpose of their dry scales? It is to protect them from any disease, and of course to help them to adapt in a dry temperature like in desert. Okay, so the group 2 have done a good job. And for the group 3, animals with 4 legs and animals with wings, we have deer. What is this? Okay, so yes, it is the same with the purpose of 2 legs and 4 legs. It is uses for okay, jump. Okay, so
It does not belong to the
yeah, this is not belong to. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, you are wrong.
Okay, ladies, proceed first. Okay, animals with wings, we have owl, dragonfly, bat, and parrot. As you can see, a bat can fly, but
Without wings.
didn't you see with this? How can a bat without wings can fly? So a bat is included in animals with wings because it has the ability to fly. Okay. So as for this spiders that belong with 4 legs.
Because it have 8 legs.
8 legs, of course. There are many legs around the world, like in insects. Insects. So this belong in insects. Then, okay. So in every group, I have some included some pictures there that it is not appropriate in that activity, and that is specific animals with body structure or body movement, like butterfly.
Wings.
Exactly.
Animal wings.
Group 2, right?
Yes,
teacher. Okay, so this is a butterfly. So how can you identify whether it is to classify in animals that we present?
Animals with feathers.
Animals with very good. How about this one? May I call Miss Jenny?
Animals with hair. With 4 legs.
Okay. Okay, may I clarify things? Excuse me. Okay, please settle down. Okay, we can associate this one into animals with 4 legs and of course have a 4. Because a cat have a 4. Maybe there are cats there are other types of cats that it has no 4, right? Okay, so Miss Jenny, here's your prize. Wow. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
So, okay, this one. Okay, what is this?
Lizard.
Okay, what do you think where the lizard belongs? Miss Bangis?
Animals with dry skin.
Okay, why did you say so?
Because it is the lizard and it is part on the concept of animals with dry skin.
Okay, so here's your prize, Miss Bangis. Wow. Okay, what about this? What about this? This is an earthworm.
Yes.
So, what do you think is to classify between the animals that have body movements or body structures and present? Okay, Miss Paul.
The worm is classified as animals with dry skin.
Okay, why do you say so?
Because of their
Structure. Okay, though it is kind of wrong, but you have still a prize. Come here. Okay, so there are 7 types of animal body structures and body movements. We have animals with 4 legs. And the last is animals with smooth skin. These some examples of what do you call that? Animals with smooth skin is earthworm. So, where do you think that an earthworm live? Land. In? So it uses its smooth skin for
Fertilizer.
okay. Aside from that,
Birds like ang mother.
okay. Aside from that, okay. So much for that. Again. So why do you think that earthworm possesses smooth skin?
Para
What's the purpose for that?
makalihok siya sa soil.
Excuse me.
Para makalihok siya sa soil.
Okay, it is right, but someone I need a right answer. Huh? Rowelling? Where's Rowelling? Rowelling? Do you have an answer?
Para yan, makasusupitan siya sa lupa, yan
Okay, I need one answer. Those answers are correct, but I need specific purpose or uses of the earthworm possesses smooth skin.
to make soil.
Anyone?
Protect from enemy.
My point is we exhale and inhale, right? Okay, so
Balance.
what is the purpose of this?
Para makakita mo sila.
Okay, very good. So, wow, Miss Jana, again, you have okay, so, excuse me, everyone. So, the last body structure we will talking about is about the animals with smooth skin. Just like an earthworm, it possesses smooth skin, but they live in underground. So, it uses its smooth skin to breath. Okay? So I have video. Okay, everybody. Excuse me, everyone. Please watch carefully so that if I have some question, I need to impose every one of you to the students who will not listen on the video. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Of course, there is a prize. Okay, ayaw lang ka mo pamati para pressure ka mo so that you have a prize. Okay.
Hello there, Science Kids! Welcome sa ating new episode ng Grade 4 Science Learning Activities. Handa na ba kayo para sa ating panibagong lesson para sa second quarter? My name is Teacher Lalita at nandito na ang ating new episode para sa Grade 4 Science Activities. The structures of animals for adaptation and survival. There are different animals around us. They live everywhere. Some animals live on land, while some animals live in water. Before going to our lesson for today, let us discuss the different terminologies that you need to understand this science concept. Number 1 is habitat.
Okay. Okay. Okay, for you, aside from this meaning, how can you define what is habitat? Okay.
A shelter.
A shelter. A shelter of a specific. So, what are some habitat we can associate with this?
Cave.
Fish in the
Sa cave.
What specific habitat?
Cave!
Okay, Miss Darai.
Water, land, and
Yeah, okay. Okay, Miss Darai, you have a prize also. Okay, so we'll continue.
Habitat is a place where an organism makes its home. A habitat is all the environmental conditions an organism needs to survive. In Tagalog, ang habitat ay isang lugar kung saan naninirahan ang isang organismo. Ang habitat ay tumutugon sa lahat ng pangangailangan ng isang organismo upang ito ay mabuhay. Number 2 is adaptation. Adaptation is a process of developing structures or organs for an animal to survive. It is an evolutionary process that fits an organism to its environment.
Okay, when we say adaptation, it is just like, for examples here. Okay, adaptation is to adapt in one's environment, in which an animal forms its body structure or create a body movement to fit in a specific environment, just like with bear. So it forms, it creates a body structure of 4 in order to protect themselves from coldness and hotness. Okay.
In Tagalog, ang adaptation ay ang pag-aangkop ng isang organismo sa kanyang kapaligiran sa pamamagitan ng pagbubuo ng ilang parte ng kanyang katawan upang siya ay mabuhay at maging angkop sa habitat na kanyang kinabibilangan. Number 3 is terrestrial animals.
So when we say terrestrial animals, these are animals that live on
Tagalog, ang terrestrial animals ay ang mga hayop na naninirahan sa lupa. Number 4 is aquatic animals. When we say aquatic animals, these are animals that live in water. In Tagalog, ito ay ang mga hayop na naninirahan sa tubig. Animals have body structures that enable them to live on land or in water. On the other hand, terrestrial animals have structures in their body that help them adapt on land. Ang mga structures na ito ay ginagamit nila for protection, movement, and food consumption.
And of course,
some animals
di ba we're familiar with chameleon? So they use camouflage, right? In order to protect
which they use
camouflage their body like in a plant, in a specific plant, so that the predators will not consume
body
them.
coverings are used for protection. May hindi ibang parte ang mga animals na ginagamit sa paggalaw or movement. Some animals have legs which they use for walking, running, or swimming, while some animals
Swimming just like a dog, right? They use their legs to swim.
Animals on land have lungs for breathing.
It is not. Yeah. So again, what are those body structure and body movements of an animal? Those are animals with 4 legs. Okay, very good. And of course, we will have our evaluation. So, they have some two pieces of biscuit. So maybe in 4 and 5, I will call somebody to answer. Okay? So please read the direction. Okay, no. Just speak what's the answer. Okay, it's verbal. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, everybody, please read the question number 1.
What is the structure of behavior that helps an organism survive in its environment?
What letter?
C.
Adaptation. Okay, very good.
Very good. What do animals use for moving?
Very good. Next.
What special body part helps protect the animals from
Or
The following
Miss Florenti.
letter C.
Carabao. Okay, carabao because a bird that a chicken has. Except for carabao, a carabao has. Very good. Wow. Okay, thank you, Miss Florenti. Okay, we have a last biscuit. Okay, next.
Which body part can animals survive?
Okay, Miss. What's the man? Claw? Okay, very good. So, what do you think these animals live in? Okay, so aside as much for that, what body structure possess this animal?
Skeleton.
Exoskeleton, very good. And shells, of course. Then your assignment, everybody, please read.
Survey our community. List down the animals we found and classify them with their body structure or characteristics.
Okay, so your assignment is to survey in a community in which you will try to list down the animals you see, and of course you need to classify between those body structures and body movements. You can write it on your notebook. And before we go out in this classroom, please arrange your chairs. Arrange your chairs and please pick up some pieces of paper and brush.
Okay, teacher.
Arrange your chairs. Is this arranged?
Yes.
Oh, it is not on column. Okay, so